Aryan, today is his 25th birthday. It is a very special day.
बेटा आर्यन तुम्हें नानी का ढेर सारा प्यार आशीर्वाद.
Happy milestone birthday, Bebu.
Hi babes.
Happy birthday, Aryan.
Happy 25th, Bebu.
Bebu, my dear Bebu.
Happy 25th birthday, Bebu.
Happy 25th birthday, Aryan.
Aryan, wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Hello, my name is Ayush Gadi. I live in Canada. I'm 22 years old.
I want Milju to say hi to you and a very, very happy birthday.
Hello. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Betu, happy 25th birthday.
Hi, Bebu. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Hello, Bebo.
Oh, Bebu, क्या बोल रहे हैं 25th? Yeah, क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
Babesoo, hello. Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, Aryan Sen. Sorry, calling you Aryan Sen is very awkward for me. You've always been Bebu to me.
Good morning, Bebu, Habibi from Dubai. Wish you happy 25th birthday.
Happy 25th birthday, Aryan Sen.
Hi, Bebu. Wish you a very, very happy 25th birthday.
Bebu, you are turning 25. Wow.
Happy 25th, Bebu.
Hope that she's with you when you're watching this video. So, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Aryan. Congratulations on turning 25.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Aryan.
You are born on 12th August 2001, the day of Janmashtami. Your name, Aryan, it denotes courageous and successful man. I have seen you growing every year. I remember your best performance in every year in every school.
You were 6 or 7 years old and you actually ran up and you were looking for soframycin. And I kind of asked that, why do you need a soframycin? He said, my friend Aditya fell down. He's bleeding just above his eye. I found that very funny because I always believe that we have 1.5 billion people and we have 1.2 billion doctors. So you obviously added to that with that incident, which still makes me laugh. But also obviously you reflected a lot on the empathy, how you can support him, and what came to your mind immediately. That's what you kind of tried to.
I used to put you on the big bed in our bedroom, master bedroom on 1503, and I would move around with a big pillow in my hand, and you were supposed to keep running on the mattress here to there, from here to there, and avoid getting beaten by me. And obviously you didn't win because you were some about 4.5, really tiny, and whatever you did, I ran faster and beat you to the pillow, and then we both would laugh. As kids, whenever we used to take a vacation, Deepa Mami used to ensure that for every travel, you were to sit next to me so that all your annoying questions like what is this, why is this, how is this, could be answered by me. I think she used to lose her patience with you. So did I, and I still do, because you are very inquisitive, and even in parties that we attend today together, you sit next to me and you bore me with all these questions.
December 2024, all my friends, Bebu included of course, came to Abu Dhabi for the Coldplay concert, and that was one of the first times that I had a conversation with him. I was going through some personal circumstances and I was struggling quite a lot, and it was one of the first times I spoke to him about this, and I realized how, I never considered before this as Bebu to be an outlet where I would pour my emotions or thoughts or whatever it is. But speaking to him really helped me. I remember still to this day he telling me that, Rishu, if you ever want to speak to me about anything, about this, what I was going through, or anything else, you can just shoot me a text or just call me. He assured me that he was there for me, and that was really comforting, and I still remember it to this day.
When I came to Kanjur in 2008, I hardly knew you and you hardly knew me of course. But I found that you accepted me very easily. You were ready to sit with me, sit on my lap. You were only 6 years old then. Sit on my lap. Always almost attached to me. You were so accepting, and so nice to me, even though you could have chosen to go the other way. Thinking about it now, it feels like you were so excited.
The most common and funny things I've seen you do at family get-togethers and parties is how you go up to my dad, tease him, and then he jumps on you, and he pulls your hair. That is quite funny and hilarious to watch.
मैं एक हूँ जो यूके में खेलते हुए देखा है और I love that game which I came with and you took some wickets during that time. That were most memorable moments with you.
Used to be quite amazed seeing this boy getting off the auto rickshaw all by himself, carrying either a school bag or the cricket kit at an age where I would still be at the gate to pick up Rishu when he was coming back from school.
Your love for bananas, your favorite meal of white rice with sugar, and how fussy you were about your food.
We have been ATVing as children in Mexico, and we caused so much trouble when we were going so fast on those ATVs.
It's absolutely been a privilege to seeing you grow into a fine gentleman you have become today. A huge amount of compassion, kindness, sensitivity, and maturity, along with very high level of EQ. I think you can connect with any group of people, any age group, right from 5-year-old to a 60-year-old, and you have the capability to actually connect in a way that they feel at home.
You're quietly mindful. You notice how people are feeling and you attempt to make them feel better, and all at the crack of your humor, which can get anyone in splits, which can kind of diffuse the toughest, hardest situations also, especially for me. So I really admire that.
एक एक कर सभी पायदान पर सफलता के साथ अब तुम्हारे 25वें पायदान पर आने का राज तुम्हारा सार्थक प्रयास परिश्रम रहा है, चाहे शिक्षा का हो, चाहे स्पोर्ट्स का, चाहे सेवा और वॉलंटियर का, सभी क्षेत्र में सफलता प्राप्त की.
Whenever you talk to him, he is in another world. वो कुछ और ही सोच रहा है, and वो इतना डीप चला जाता है कि आपको पता ही नहीं है कि वो कब वापस आने वाला है इस दुनिया से. And then he brings back the wiseness, the philosophical Aryan into this world and blesses this world with, godly humor. Okay?
The childlike simplicity that you have, the amazing, easygoing nature that you show is definitely an asset that you have. इतनी कम उम्र में इतनी maturity, इतना wisdom, लगता ही नहीं कि तुम 25 के हो. So that is the rare combination, Bebu, that you are, of childlike simplicity and a very wise head and a very mature demeanor that you have. And I know कि अंदर कहीं पे एक छोटी सी शैतानी भी छुपी हुई है और वो हमें चाहिए. That little bit of sense of humor, the way you take the case of Soumya, वो हमें चाहिए और वो बहुत ही तुम्हारी personality का एक part है.
The gift of being patient, to listen somebody 100%, listen with intent, listen with empathy.
You have grown into a true Gen Z guy, grounded, kind, and always yourself. You have always been our family entertainer since day one.
Bebu, in one word, it would be introspective. I think he's someone who thinks a lot, sometimes a little too much, but he's always looking beneath the surface of people, of situations, of those around him, his family, and of course himself. I think it's a really rare quality to have today in this day and age, and also his age, of course. Be someone who truly understands, who takes the time to listen, and also just as a person to grow instead of rushing through life, rushing through conversations.
Or maybe you're just the sorted one.
He is very sorted, extremely grounded, disciplined. Even when the boys stayed up late, he went back as he had cricket practice the following morning. Helping food distribution during COVID, always volunteering with ABBF, goes to Annapurna base camp, cycles, cares for a cat, wears colourful funky socks, mature, level-headed, and the list goes on.
The way you engage everyone in the family with your thoughtful questions, your respect and care for all of us.
मुझे लगता है आर्यन ना बहुत ही चालू आदमी है. Like he just gets to you, so he makes everybody do things for him.
He walks into any room and finds his people. That is Bebu, living his ikigai. Bebu is a beautiful blend of both his parents, their warmth, their wisdom, and his own Takumi, that master artisan focus with his whole heart. Just Ganabaru, showing up, doing his best, and growing through it. I have known Bebu as a wonderful, witty, multi-talented person through years.
You have this rare ability to walk into a room and before anyone realizes it. You have got everyone laughing and completely hooked on your story. And that's uniquely you. Your calmness, your maturity, and your grounded nature.
You're also like the big brother I never had. With all confidence and seriousness, I can say you are my favorite cousin. Yes, even over Junai Didi.
If I could describe Bebu in one word, it would be driven, because he's always trying to better himself, whether it's in sports, work, or just in some adventure.
In spite of your viewpoints, you never enforce them on anyone. You let the other person be. You are a listener, a trait you have acquired from your dad.
Also, it's lovely to see how you've grown up to be a responsible boy. I do hear about the little conversations that you have with your mom. And I love the way that you are able to get mischief, fun in everything that you do.
You are probably the sage amongst the young Turks of GE for many years now, many times over. Maybe your prefrontal cortex developed before most, and many of us at KBDK have a thing or two to learn from you.
A trait that I feel that Aryan has taken would again be kindness and this trust that I will find good people. I think that trait comes from both Soumya and Dipali, but I think more from Dipali. Dipali has a blind enthusiasm, and I believe that Aryan has got that surprisingly mellowed with a worldliness, which I think he gets from Soumya Thora Bahut.
I always pictured you as some sort of role model where you were able to get amazing grades and you were able to wake up really early in the morning and dedicate yourself to cricket, your passion, which was really impressive, and you've been doing that for a very long time now. I think throughout your life you've always been an all-rounder, you've always been good at multiple things. From cricket, you used to be a bowler and a batsman, so you were an all-rounder there. And then in life, you can have like a very chill, fun conversation with us boys, and then in the next 30 seconds, I'll see you sitting with an uncle and have a very serious conversation. And you can always adapt to each situation accordingly and get the most out of it.
Can't believe you're just 25, because your humor and your brain and your philosophy is like of a 30-35-year-old man, okay? And your habits to stop sleeping early at night.
Every time we meet, you are caring, polite, soft-spoken, kind and respectful. You truly have a beautiful heart.
You're very trustworthy, and I've always looked up to you. I even got a mullet because you convinced me to.
How respectful he is while talking. In Hindi also he'll always use the tum wali bhasha, which I quite like. He doesn't get angry really, he does get pissed, and even then he might at the most use tum thodi buddhu ho kya, but nothing meaner than that. I wish I could hold my temper so well when I am angry. One is his need to change my phone wallpaper and settings ever so often, and second is his need to wipe his dirty hands on his clothes and mine. Turning 25 changes that about him. Oh! let's stop saying let's break up after every fight that we have. And hope listening to this makes you happy, Aryan.
For me, there is one clear standout, and that is Farhan in Zindagi Na Mile Dobara. Imran, right? Very few characters are deep and naughty at the same time. And yeah, that really fits your bill.
And honestly, whenever I think of you, whenever I think of Rancho from Three Idiots, not because of the movie, but because of the way you live, your curiosity, confidence, big heart, and the courage to dive into life instead of just watching it.
It is Hrithik Roshan. Of course, without the famous green eyes, tall, handsome, and charming, you have your own unique personality.
I asked you once a very embarrassing question when last time you came here but did not meet me. So I felt it. I once advised you, my dear Betu, whenever you come, you just say hello and meet us. Because I love you in hugging, blessings, बड़ा मुझे आनंद आता है. मैं देखूं तो उसके बाद तू कभी मिस नहीं किया. जब भी आया पुणे से या कहीं से भी, you have tried to meet us every time.
When you were 4 to 5 years old, your father and I used to jokingly kick each other. And one day you saw Dadu bending over and thought, it's my turn. Poor Dadu, we got scolded by Mimi while you had the biggest smile.
50th birthday पे, I think it was 50th birthday, जो prank किया था मेरे साथ, मुझे जो शॉक दिया था तूने, मेरे ख्याल से मेरे लाइफ में was a major one of the shock, जहाँ पे तूने मेरे एक्स का लव लेटर मेरे नाम पे भेज दिया और वो भी मैं कुछ अलग ही दुनिया में चला गया था. That shocking experience I still remember. I hope ऐसे लेटर्स मुझे और तू 60th को ना भेजे.
During COVID, when we used to do the Pilates together, we used to do it a couple times at your house, and I remember I used to have this one like protein shake at your house, and that's the first time I got into like that's when I really started getting into gym and stuff and like working out, and now I'm quite into it. So
your disagreements or conflicts with Shubhala, she used to keep food for you, especially milk, and it would lie for hours on the table in your house in Kanjur. And he would keep shouting from the kitchen, and he would say, Shubhala Didi, इतना चिल्लाओ मत, इतना चिल्ला क्यों रही है? मैं पी लूँगा, मैंने बोला मैं पी लूँगा.
Your bindas nature, never afraid to say the right thing, be it family, relatives or friends, is what makes you Aryan.
Turning absolutely anything into a LinkedIn post. I remember once he wrote a LinkedIn post on his suitcase taking a while to reach him, and yeah, it was a whole story about patience, growth and resilience. I think I could live happily without that kind of stuff on my LinkedIn For You page.
When you have your conflicts with your mom, even though maybe you may be getting angry or irritated, you never show that. You always try to speak very logically, saying, Mama, you know, this is what you're saying, but this is what I mean. You need to listen to me. आप सुन ही नहीं रही हैं, मेरी मेरी बात सुनिए. So I find it hilarious also sometimes, but I find it very impressive because you know how to handle conflicts. I'm sure you do that in your office as well with your friends and colleagues, and that's very good.
His LinkedIn posts is just one example of how he takes even the most mundane things and really, tries to find and goes deep into these things.
After spending your first few months till now pulling my leg hair, now that you have more hair than I do.
So the most annoying habit is कि वो अपने सामान कभी जगह पे नहीं रखता है. And you have to tell him again and again कि please keep your stuff at your place. But then he just brings this, this weird innocent side of his, and then everybody's like, oh, it's Aryan, it's okay, Ollie. And that's how Aryan is like. Keep random stuff in fridge. Yes, he keeps random stuff in fridge. If you have lost a hairband, if you have lost a clip, ask Aryan. It's in the fridge.
He showed me an umbrella which he had just bought from a shop very close to Palms, and the color was a brilliant yellow color. And I told Aryan, I said, my God, that is such a cute umbrella. Where did you get it from? And he said, oh, Shuchi aunty, I bought this from a shop very close to Palms. So I said, oh wow, just tell me which shop. I'll also maybe go and pick up one. And then I got this. I didn't have to tell him. He could have as easily said, oh, Shuchi aunty is perfectly capable of going and buying herself an umbrella. There was no reason for him to buy it, but he did. And it's still the only umbrella that I use. I am criticized a fair bit for the color.
You also used to call me nicknames like Anubhai, which I used to get offended by. But thinking back, it is quite a memorable thing to remember.
Your hands just go like, come on yaar, arey yaar, just where's the motivation, boys? So yeah, that's something that I really can see very clearly in my head, even though you're not here.
When we used to attend weddings of our cousins, you again sat next to me because you were very lazy or you didn't know how to debone a fish. So you would take the fish from the waiter, put it on my plate and then tell me that, Didi, please, I want to have the fish, take out the bones. Oh my God, Itaki! Anyway, these are the good things that I can speak about you. There are plenty of bad things, but I don't want to embarrass you on your birthday by saying all this.
Bebu's like my little brother. If I had to describe him in one word, what would that word be? I think it would be wordless. Because Bebu is the kind of person who'll give anything a go. He can spend weeks being obsessed with one thing, then completely switch lanes and throw himself into something totally different with the same exact enthusiasm, whether it works or almost doesn't. It doesn't matter to him. He's always up for the challenges. That's something I've always respected about him. What's something Bebu says way too much would be, let's go boys, let's get it. I don't think I've ever heard him say anything apart from that. And if I don't hear it, I feel like something's almost off.
There's one ability that you have is to listen and to keep quiet and hear the other person out. And then somewhere from your expression, you express whether you liked or did not like in a very subtle way. And I know you have a very kind heart. We have seen the selfless service that you give during ABBF and during many other parts of your life. That makes you a greater person, Bebu, at any point in time.
Your bindas nature, never afraid to say the right thing, be it family, relatives or friends, is what makes you Aryan. I bless you once again for your the special day of 25th year birthday. Live long, happy life, prosperous life and healthy life.
Well, you know that calling a spade a spade when there are conflicts, putting your weight behind something which you believe more in. But I guess that with time you shall get there.
Being a little more organized, that's all. And I think it'll come with age. And I think you prioritize what you need to get organized with. That's the other side of it. But I think getting organized will be especially on the personal front, will be a great thing. So
मेरी शुभकामनाएं तुम्हारे अच्छे स्वास्थ्य, सुंदर व्यवहार, रिलेशन विद आवर ब्राइट फ्यूचर. सुखी रहो, स्वस्थ रहो, आशीर्वाद, आशीर्वाद.
As life will throw curveballs, be the man you are, be grounded, be confident, be happy. I wish you the very best and I'll see you soon.
Here's to the incredible you
life bless you with happiness, good health, love, and endless opportunities. May this new chapter of your life be your very best.
My only wish is that you never lose your spirit, your courage to take chance, your kindness toward people, and your belief that no matter what life brings, it's always worth giving it a shot.
I would wish कि तुम्हारे लाइफ में there's a healthy dose of setbacks early enough, and I frankly think these are awesome opportunities and one should get it early. So I wish थोड़े हर 4-5 साल में थोड़ा meaningful setbacks अगर होता रहे तो you learn a lot.
Wish you many paddle sessions this year and lots of time at the gym if you would like.
I am hoping you show up because I like seeing you at gatherings and spend time with you.
I would love to take permission of your now retired senior son to officially welcome you to KBD Day.
May you wake up every day with that pull and purpose. May your Moai be strong, the circle of people around you who love you, who bless you. They show up, they are there with you. May you find Wabi Sabi. Those little imperfections of life is beautiful. May your life be in flow, and may your curiosity never retire.
That he doesn't let go of the innocence, the craziness, the dumbness, the calmness that he has, and his humor also. And I really hope that you know how important you are to people around you, and you're surrounded by them in the next 5 years. I hope you're living like the way that we are living right now. I hope you're in London doing whatever you want to do. But yeah, I really hope that you never think twice before doing anything else, because that's something that you have taught me in life. And I really hope that you hold on to that. So without any shame, without any guilt, without anything, you be you and you do what you want to do. And keep pushing people around you to do the same, as much as annoying it is.
I genuinely hope that this year brings you all the success, happiness that you really deserve.
Deal with anything that life throws at him and not let it change him as a person. He is an extremely trusting, extremely kind person, and I hope that nothing ever changes that. I'm sure he will find love, he will have his family, he will have his work, he will have friends wherever he goes. But other than that, I hope and pray for strength for him.
Wish you all the best. I'm also always here for you, my brother. I love you a lot, and hopefully we do get the chance to spend some more time together and have some more meaningful conversations.
May you achieve all the happiness, all the success that you desire.
You have a future of gold. Keep shining.
I hope you have a wonderful life.
Success in everything that you do, and you are able to find a fun in everything that you do.
Stay peaceful and healthy.
Stay happy and keep us laugh, and may success always be with you.
Loads of love, happiness, and every success in your life. May all your dreams come true.
Get rid of all of the vices and enjoy life as it takes its own twists and turns.
As you're actually growing older, I hope that you never grow up. And may you always remain as innocent as you are, as childlike, with a sense of wonder in your eyes. And I think by 30, life should take you at good places. Maybe you'll be in different countries, enjoying your life, doing things that you really love doing. And wherever you are, I think you'll find your place, you'll make it your home. At the same time, I hope that you get the best of life, the best of health, the best of joy, the best of relationships.
stay that way. Lots of love and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, and we always have your back. So enjoy. Many happy returns of the day. Hope you enjoy your birthday.
Love from Rintu Da, Pishi and Junaidi.
I say congratulations on the big 25.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bindu.
Congrats again and all the best.
Happy birthday, Bindu.
Cheers, buddy.
Very happy birthday, Aryan.
Wish you a very happy 25th birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy 25th.
Love you, buddy. Happy birthday.
Wish you happy 25th, Hebu.
Very, very happy birthday.
Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Arya.
Just wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mr. Aryan Sen.
Have an amazing birthday.
Happy birthday
Love you lots.
Once again, congratulations and blessing. Lots of blessing, my dear.
Cheers.